Uh, okay, so in this class what we have to do, we have to create a list. In this class we will study different type of list. First of all, we will study what is the list and what are the types of the list. In the type we will study order list, unordered list, definition list. Okay, so first of all we are moving towards the list. What is a list? I think you all will be familiar with the list. Basically, you have seen the different type of list either in your book, either in your different books. Okay, you have seen the different type of list. Basically, list is a collection of items that are organized in particular order. From here you can see we have different type of list. Here we have list of colors, we have list of winners and computer. So we have different type of lists. These are the list. So what is a list? It is any information that is organized in linear fashion. Means it is the information, it is the combination of items that will be organized in particular order, that will be known as the list. So here you can see three type of different type of list. So number one list, here you can see list of colors. This list of colors will be known as the unordered list, because from here you can see there is no particular order. Means there is no numbering, there is no ABC, there is no Roman number. So here, from here you can see, you can place blue at top, okay, you can place red at bottom, and you can place black at the blue. So there will be no difference in the list. Okay, if we look at here list of winners, this list is ordered list. Okay, it means that in this list order will matter. If you are putting Pakistan at third number and Australia at first number, okay, Australia at first number and India on second number, then there will be the difference. Means order will matter. This type of list will be known as order list. We will study in deeply. Okay, and here we have third category of list. This category of list is known as definition list. Okay, is it clear to you? Okay, so basically order list, it is the list of items in which order will matter. Okay, simply from here you can see we have a list of position holders of class 9th. From here you can see the at first position we have Asif Ali, second position Shoaib, and third position Zoaib, and fourth position is Shazib. If you will change the position of any candidate, for suppose you are putting Shazib at first position, okay, and you are putting Asif at fourth position. If you will change this type of if you will do this type of a change in this list, then your list will be changed. There will be the difference in the list. अगर आप लोग जेकॾहिं तव्हां पुट हिन में हे जेको तव्हांजो कैंडिडेट आहे आसिफ खे जेकॾहिं तव्हां फोर्थ ते रखो उन्हनि जो ऑर्डर तव्हां छा था कयो, चेंज था कयो, ओके, ऐं फोर्थ वारे खे फर्स्ट तव्हां खणी अचो, त माना इन जो मक़सदु आहे त असांजे ऑर्डर लिस्ट में डिफरेंस ईंदो। मतिलबु हिनखे हिकिड़ो पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर हुजणु घुरिजे, हिनखे पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर आहे त हे फर्स्ट ते हुजणु लाज़मी आहे, हे सेकंड ते हुजणु लाज़मी आहे, थर्ड ते हुजणु लाज़मी आहे, फोर्थ ते हुजणु लाज़मी आहे। जेकॾहिं तव्हां हिननि जी पोजीशन चेंज कंदो पोइ तव्हांजी जेकी आहे लिस्ट चेंज थी वेंदी, पोइ ऑर्डर लिस्ट न रहंदी, इन ऑर्डर लिस्ट ते डिफरेंस अची वेंदो। क्लियर आहे? Create this type of list using the HTML. Okay, so how you will create this type of list? Okay, so from here you can see this tag OL tag or order list tag will be used for creating the ordered list. Okay, for suppose you want to create this type of list. So how you will create this type of list? First you have to use the OL tag. Okay, OL tag, start, OL tag, close. Okay, then you have to specify the type of the list. Okay, type, what type of numbering, what type of categories you want to show in this list. For suppose from here you can see we have 1 2 3. Okay, so also you can put here A So there will be result will be like that. So here will be A, here will be B, and here will be C. If you are putting Roman number like that, I matlab 1, so here will be 1, okay, 2, and there will be 3. So how you can create this type of list? First you have to use the OL tag, okay, OL start and OL close, okay. Then you can add the list of items. You can add one items, okay. So okay, you can add one items like that. First what you have to do, you have to write OL, then you have to write LI, list of items. What are the items that will be added in your list, like that Asif Ali. So here you have to write Asif Ali, then you have to put second item, okay, Shoaib. So how you will put second item? First you will write down LI and Shoaib, okay, and then close the list of items, okay. In the same way you can write LI, close LI, and Zohaib, okay, Zohaib. So this will be the order list. And then what you have to do, you have to write the type of list. So here you have put the type of list is order list, and which type of numbering you want to display in your list. For suppose here you will you will put a 1, then there will be the numbering like that, 1, 2, and 3, okay. If you will put here A, then there will be A, B, and then C. I think it will be clear to you. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask. So now here we are creating the order list. First you have to write down the OL tag, then you have to close this tag, then you have to put the list of items. How many items you will add in your list? Like here I am putting one item, that is the Asif Ali, okay. Second item I am putting Shoaib, okay, and third item I will put Zoaib, okay, and fourth item I will add, okay, fourth item I will add Shazib, and so on. You can add another list of items like Jahan Zeb, okay. You can add these items, and then you have to check out what type, in which manner you want to display your list. For suppose you want to display your list in the form of numbers, then you can put 1. So save it and go at the place where you have to save the program. Okay, first I want to show you this one, okay. Then this is the list. First you have to right click on this one, okay, then open with Google Chrome okay, just 1 second. Okay, so now is it visible to you? You have to open your program with any browser. Right click, then open with any browser. So I am opening with Google Chrome, okay. So then it will display the result. So here I am showing you the screen, okay. So from here you can see that we have created list of position holders. That list will be known as order list, okay. So here we have put number 1, so it will start the number series, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Is it clear to you? It is the list of items in which order does not matter. In the अंदर छा थींदो order जेको matter न कंदो. For suppose we have made the list my computer skills, okay. So here I have put write down the HTML, CSS, PHP. For suppose I am putting here the PHP, and here I am putting the HTML, no problem, okay. So this type of list is known as unordered list. So from here you can put a circle, you can put a rectangle, you can put anything, okay, from here. So this type of list is known as unordered list. So here the example. From here you can see, just you have to put the UL start and UL close. So that will be unordered list. Okay, list of items same, just you have put in the order list. Okay, so then you have to write down the type. Okay, is equal to circle, here is equal to circle, is equal to rectangle, and so on. Okay, just now we have to execute this program in the HTML code. Definition list is used to define the definition of any topic. Like that, from here you can see, just I have write down the topic. Okay, chemistry, you can write computer, you can write science, and any subject. Okay, so here I have write down the chemistry, and then here you can see the definition of the chemistry. So if you want to display same way, like that, if you want to display in the HTML code, so how you can write the code for this one? जेकॾहिं तव्हांखे पुट हिनी तरह सां टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले करणो आहे पंहिंजी वेबसाइट ते, ठीकु आहे, त पोइ इन जे लाइ तव्हां HTML में कोड कीअं लिखंदा? ठीकु आहे, अचे थो सम्झ में? एक फॉर दिस वन, सो दैट इज द डेफिनेशन लिस्ट, DL के, then you have to close the DL. So here you have to write down the topic name, that is the chemistry. Okay, and from here you can write down the DD, means data definition. Okay, so DD start and DD close. In between this tag, you have to write down the actual definition of the topic. So for suppose here I have write down the chemistry, and then you have to write down the study of matter is called chemistry. You have to write down the definition of this topic. So just I am copying this one. Just you have to write down the definition of computer. Okay, it is the electronic device, it takes input, process it, okay, store it, and display the result. Okay, just save it. Okay, then you have to reload it in your program. So is it clear to you?